OG shoes is what matter to the culture, and this is super clean, man. I'm not upset when Nike were bringing these back, and they need to do more stuff like this. Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about the CB94's OG colorway, which is white, black, and purple, man. I know you guys seen Charles Barkley wearing this shoe. Recently we just did a review on the triple black CB94s, man, but you know I had to get the OG colorway to bring it to the channel. But before we do that, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we drop a new content to the channel. Help us get to 1,150 subscribers, man. We currently, you know, moving in the right pace right now. Everything is positive. I appreciate all the support we've been getting for the last couple videos we put out. Thank you. Also, if you guys want to follow us on our social media account, you guys can follow us on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. And also, don't forget about the website where we got all the merch at. All the Penny for Your Thoughts merch is on this website. It's p4yt2016.com. But I know y'all tired of me talking, so let's get to the shoe. Here you guys go, CB94 OG colorway. Let's get straight into the shoe. As you guys can see on the toe box here, you have black suede right here. On the inside of the toe box, you have white with holes in it on both sides. You have a purple mesh tongue coming all the way up to the top of the tongue with leather on the top, and it has the Air Max logo right here. You have a elastic right here on the shoe, right here, so that way it keeps your foot in place. Come over here to the side panel, you have more of the black suede with the teeth here. The teeth are black, and you have white teeth on the bottom. That's what they used to call them back in the days, the teeth on the CB94. You have like little metal in the inside of the holes here. Come over here to this, you have a Nike written right here in white. You have more white leather on the insides here. On the top part, on the top right here where your ankle would be at, you have white leather here. Slide over to the back panel, you have Nike Air on the back panel. You have a Nike swoosh right here with a purple airbag with a purple tooth right here. Come over here to the other side of the shoe, more of the same. You have white on the inside with holes in it, and then you have black on the black suede on the outside with the metal in it and everything like that, man. You come over here to the bottom of the shoe, you have black primarily, and then you have white from the tooth. And then you have purple here for the airbag, man. Clean OG shoe. Nike is killing it with these OG sneakers they've been coming out with, man. So far we've been lucky enough to find these shoes and put them on the channel here. But Nike's been real stingy with the releases. I don't know what's going on. I'm hearing that the OG Black Penny 3 is supposed to have came out sometime this week. I haven't seen them anywhere. I don't know what's going on with that. Nobody haven't told me they seen them. Nobody even told me what store may have them, man. But so far we've been lucky enough to get the all black CB94s. We had the up tempos, the Scottie Pippens. So, you know, I bought both of those to the channel. I know if you guys want to see that, just, you know, check the channel while we have those, man. But this right here is what Nike's been missing for a long time. Giving people that OG feel with these OG shoes, man. These OG shoes is what matter to the culture. And this is super clean, man. I'm not upset when Nike were bringing these back. And they need to do more stuff like this with what they've been doing, man. If you feel differently, leave in the comments below. We definitely can talk about it. I tend to get back to you guys with all the comments and everything. But y'all know what time it is. It's time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, man, I'm just gonna have to keep it a buck, man. OG Phil gets a high rating on Penny for Your Thoughts, man. We giving these 4 out of 5 pennies. Classic shoe. Yo, don't even knock on this shoe. For me, it's really hard to get your foot in this shoe. If you have a pair of CB94s, it's really hard to get your foot in this shoe. It's damn near impossible. You'll be sweating by the time you get this shoe on your foot. But once it's on your foot, it feels good on your foot and it look good on your foot. So you ain't really got to worry about that. So, you know, we gave it 4 out of 5 pennies, man. And don't forget to subscribe, man. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.